For materials, you will need chunky yarn in red, cream, dark brown, and tan. You also want an 8-inch strand of worsted weight yarn in tan. You'll need 10mm safety eyes, bobby pins or stitch markers, a yarn needle, scissors, fabric glue, and stuffing. I'll be using a 4.5 and 4.0mm hook. If you want to make Jumpy Dumpty as a bag, you'll need 2 lobster claws or keyrings. You'll also want felt in dark red and cream. You can use a different yarn and hook size to your liking, but your end result will differ. I use a hook that is about the same thickness as the yarn. I'm using Premier Parfait Chunky in poppy red, cream, espresso, and shell. It's a weight 6 super bulky chenille yarn that runs a little thin. Check the description below to see my recommended hook sizes for other common yarns, and if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram.